If you want to add the clock to the home screen on Google Pixel 10a, you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen, and after that we're gonna choose the widgets option. Now in here we're gonna switch to the browse category on the right side, and then in here you can find the clock app, which contains a couple of different widgets that track the time, of course. So in here we can use, for example, this digital one or the stacked one, or maybe the analog. In my case, I'm gonna choose the digital. I'm gonna press and hold my finger on it, and then we can drag it around and place it in any position. You can also choose the clock style, so this can be a solid clock or it can have a transparent background. And as you can see, we should be able to easily add it. In some cases, you can also resize the widget quite a bit. You can make it much bigger if you want to. You can move it around to, of course, make it larger if that's what you need. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.